how are you all, and welcome to the guideline on Tuesday. Every time at 4 o'clock, I've been having a great time meeting all you kids at various locations like Surat and Bangalore and Delhi, but coming straight down to the point, what's the guideline for today? Any guesses? Well, the guideline for today is Surya Namaskars every single day. No tension, no jhig, no stress. See, we even have a poster. It's called stretch, don't stress, because stress is not worth it, and there is no better stretch than a Surya Namaskar, because it is something which will stretch your hamstring, it is something which will stretch your quads, your every single joint in your body, from your back to your hip to your shoulders. Everything that needs to be stretched and strengthened gets its work every time that you do Surya Namaskars. One of the main important reasons why children should be doing Surya Namaskars, practicing yogasans, is because, well, it is wonderful for health. But before I start talking about the many glories of Surya Namaskars, I do want to make a very important advice on caution, and that is, while Surya Namaskars and asanas are great for children, no pranayam, no bandhas, no kriyas, no esoteric practices, okay? No pranayam, no meditation, no closing eyes and thinking about anything. This is your time to be dynamic in your movement, and children already have a very meditative mind. We don't need to teach them meditation, we don't need to teach them focus and concentration. We need to learn from them, which is also why within Yogasan we have something like Balasan, you know, where you are learning from a child, where you are learning how to be like a child. So it's okay for an adult to do these practices, but not for a child. Now, why is it that a child should practice Surya Namaskars? Well, because it is one form of practice which will work directly on every important gland of your body. So from the adrenal glands to the pineal gland to the thyroid gland, every single gland gets its due work. And if you are an athlete, this is something which is of great importance to you, because you must have noticed that we have way too many stars who've made their debut and then gotten an injury and gotten out, and that could just be because of lack of mobility and stiffness and stuff like that in their lower back and the pelvic joint. You don't want to be one of those people. If you are at puberty, this is important. It's important that you do this every single day. For a growing up child to reach their optimum height, to reach their maximum concentration in the brain, to reach their focus, strength, stamina, speed, flexibility, mobility, good rest in the night, 5 Surya Namaskars every single day. You can start from the age of 7, and 5 is a good number. You can either do it first thing in the morning, or you can do it sometime around sunset, just before you have a snack or before you have dinner. As parents, if you're watching, please feel free to join your kids. Instead of taking them out to restaurants and watching movies with them, start practicing Surya Namaskars with them. I have a great reference book which you should all be following. I don't have the book, so I have taken a printout. Ta-da! It's called Yoga for Children, a complete illustrated guide to yoga, including a manual for parents and for teachers. So you have a week by week guide. You also have beautiful stories about where every asana comes from. So your child will have not just a practice, but also a reason behind every single practice. You will have a proper sequence of what to do. And for all the young girls who feel that periods are painful, where all that you need is regular practice of yoga. For all of you kids who feel cranky and irritable, practice yoga. For all young teenagers who seem to have acne or nose on their hair which is irritating them, yoga. So just 5 Surya Namaskars a day, an investment of 6 to 7 minutes is all that it will take, but it is the cure to all your problems. So this is all that I want to say to you today. If you have any questions, please shoot.
The questions are like, what is the best time to do Surya Namaskar for children?
The best time for Surya Namaskars for children is when they get done, you know, but either with sunrise or at sunset are supposed to be the 2 good times, you know, sunrise or sunset.
And how many Surya Namaskars?
5 is a good number. Don't get very competitive, so about 5, max 12. Don't go for 21, don't go for 50, don't go for 100. What you have to chase is to be able to do these 5 Surya Namaskars for the next 21 years, for the next 51 years. That is more important than the number of Surya Namaskars that you do every day.
Will it work for hyperactive kids too?
Yes, it works for all children, hyperactive, underactive, and it will also make the parents optimally active. Alright, so that's all from me for today. I will see you next Tuesday at 4 o'clock. In the meanwhile, do not forget to fill the form. Fill your forms and see you next Tuesday. Bye bye.